Today, I'm going to show you 5 awesome fonts that are perfect for headlines. Hey everyone, welcome to Kittl's YouTube channel. And if you haven't signed up for Kittl yet, use the link in the description to have access to all of the fonts I'm going to show you today. First up, we've got Hubbard Sans Black on our list. It's not just impactful, it offers various widths and weights within the same font family, allowing you to create some fantastic text contrast. Plus, it could be perfect for branding projects, since it's a versatile font family and very useful if you come across different design scenarios. Now let's move on to LC Emoji. This font is bold, chunky, it screams. It's a loud font, right? It pairs beautifully with thinner fonts, creating a striking contrast. And guess what? It offers 3 different widths to choose from, so you can find the one that suits your design the best. Next in line, Bungee. I love this example we're using here. Very creative design, but I can definitely see this design being used for a sports brochure or a campaign, maybe a design for a university. It's very sporty. The bold corners give it a friendly vibe while maintaining a clean look to this font. Now, I've got a personal favorite for you, Magial. Look at those characters. They've got personality, right? Those heavy strokes make it a perfect match with thin sans serif fonts or even some script fonts. I'm adjusting the kerning here real quick so you can see how the font looks originally. Just a quick tip, watch what type of font you're pairing up with. It's really attention grabbing, but it can be a little misleading if not balanced right. For example, in this design, I will read the text as all days blue violet you, because my brain is being led to read the heavy font first. So I pair it up with a script but heavier font that allows me to read the text as it should be read. All days are blue, violet is you, because it draws just the right amount of attention. And lastly, of course, I will read the tiny, thin text because it's not as big, not as bold, probably not as important. Last but not least, we've got Titan One. This font is playful, yet its weight is off the chart. In a design like this, barbecue party jumps right out at you, and that's exactly what we want. A barbecue party, it's all about fun and relaxation, so Titan One brings the perfect vibe to the table or the grill. And those were the top 5 fonts for headlines available in Kittl. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated for more design tutorials and tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.